Hi, my name is Myra Cagate and welcome to a new video. Sa araw na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo ang in, on, and at as prepositions of time. Makinig kayong maigi dahil merong quiz sa dulo ng video na ito. Okay, let me show you this pyramid. Sa pyramid na ito, hinati natin yan sa tatlo. Okay? Andiyan yung at sa pinakataas, as you can see. Doon naman sa gitna, nandun yung on. At yung in ay nandun sa pinakababa kung saan merong may pinakamalaking space. Okay? So, tandaan nyo lang itong pyramid na ito. Pyramid. Okay. Doon sa taas, nandyan yung at. Because as preposition of time, yung at ay ginagamit for specific or very specific time or moments. Kaya nga nandun siya sa pinakataas, andun yung merong pinakamaliit na space. That's why we say at 2 o'clock, kasi specific time. At 3 p.m. At midnight, kasi 12 o'clock yung midnight. At noon, kasi specific time yung. Noon is 12 o'clock. And we also say at the moment. Kasi nga, specific time or specific moment. So, sa mga phrases na yan, at yung ginamit natin. Now, as you can see, yung on naman ay nasa gitna kung saan merong mas maraming space kumpara dun sa at. Okay? Because yung on, we use it for specific days, o yung mga araw, or dates, yung petsa. Pero hindi na siya mas specific kumpara dun sa oras mismo. So we use on for days of the week or dates. That's why we say on Monday. On Christmas Day. O, kailan yung Christmas Day? Siyempre, December 25. Date yun, di ba? O, December 25 is Christmas Day. That's why we say on Christmas Day. On December 25. As you can see, yung in naman ay nandun sa pinakababa ng pyramid kung saan may pinakamalaking space. O bakit? Dahil yung in ay ginagamit for long periods of time or longer periods of time. Hindi na ito yung isang araw lang. Okay? So we use in for weeks, months, years, seasons, decades, centuries, millennium. That's why we say in January. O kapag babanggitin nyo lang yung month, you say in January. O kaya naman, I was born in January 1995. Kunwari lang. Okay. Nanggit lang natin yung month at saka yung year, in yung gagamitin natin. Siyempre, kapag binanggit nyo lang yung year, I was born in 1995. Decades naman, I was born in the 90s. Tandaan natin kapag ang pinag-uusapan natin ay decades, don't forget the article the. Laging may the yan. Okay? So we say in the 90s, in the 80s, in the 70s, in the 60s. Of course, we have some exceptions to the rules. If you're talking about parts of the day, o day siya, di ba? But we use in. That is why we use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. O, in yung ginagamit natin for parts of the day. Pero we can say on Monday evening. O kasi binanggit natin yung Monday, di ba? On Monday afternoon. Yan, on Monday afternoon. Ibig sabihin, afternoon nung Monday. O, on Monday afternoon. Pwede yon. Kasi binanggit natin yung day Monday. So, on ang gagamitin natin doon. But if you just say, I'll see you in the morning, walang kasunod na day na binanggit, in ang gagamitin natin. Tapos, we say at night. At noon, at midday, o magkapareho lang yung at noon at saka at midday, okay? Sa mga phrases na yan, at yung gagamitin natin. Okay, now are you ready for the quiz? Let's start. Complete the sentences using in, on, or at. Number 1, the concert begins blank 7:30 tonight. In, on, or at? The answer is at. Number 2, the office is closed blank Sundays. In, on, or at? The answer is on. Number 3, my grandparents wake up early blank the morning. In, on, or at? The answer is in. Number 4, the fireworks started blank midnight. In, on, or at? The answer is at. Number 5. Many people stay up late blank New Year's Eve. In, on, or at? It's on. Number 6. Flowers bloom blank spring. In, on, or at? The answer is in. I'll see you again next time.